There are so many different cuts you can get out of the good old chicken breast. It can serve one person, or I'm going to show you how you can serve 2 people from one chicken breast. So I'm just going to take it out of the pack just to show you the different styles. Now, when you get your chicken breast, you'll see an extra piece on the chicken breast. This is called the tenderloin, and you can carefully pull it off. Now, there's a reason this is called a tenderloin. It's one of the best parts of the chicken. It's soft, it's moist, it's perfect for stir fries. Also, you can crumb it and it tastes absolutely delicious as little chicken fingers. Now, you know how you see those big chicken schnitzels at the pubs or at restaurants? Now, the way they do that is not only by flattening it out, but they also butterfly it. So with a nice sharp knife, make an incision, hold your hand flat on the top so you're safe and you won't hurt yourself, and then slowly follow the incision to open up the chicken breast. By doing that, you can see we've doubled it in size, just like that. Now at this stage, you'd put this in between 2 pieces of baking paper, and with a meat mallet, just gently press it out and you'll have one giant schnitzel. Or if you're serving 2 people, cut that in half and you've got 2 schnitzels just like that. Now, if you want to use chicken breast for stir fry, the best way to cut this is into thin strips and it'll cook within moments. So again, with a sharp knife, cut that lengthways, and then we've got perfect chicken ready for our stir fry. So there you go, that's just a few little tips on how to get the most out of one single chicken breast.